How to fix Spotify Wrapped 2023 not available. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So as you can see here, I am on my Spotify app. So if I try to go here at the right top corner and then if I tap on the Wrapped button, I do not have the Wrapped 2023. So let's show you how you can fix this problem. So the first step and the most obvious one, but it's necessarily to go to your Play Store and search for Spotify and make sure that your app is updated. If it is, then you can go to the second step. And that is going back to your Spotify app, click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Wrapped 2023 and see if it shows up. To me, it doesn't. And if this doesn't work, you can search onto your search bar instead of Wrapped 2023. You can paste this text right here, Spotify data stories wrapped. Click on enter and see if it is available for you. So in my case, they say we don't have your wrap this year, but we do have a wrap playlist for you, so you can check it out. But guys, that means that they have a lot of demands right now, so you will get your Spotify wrapped from 2023 later. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can comment in the comment section down below if it works for you, and if it doesn't, I will make sure to answer to your comments as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.